Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Dr. Drew Ramsey here. Let's talk more about mental health, and I want to talk about health coaching. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about health coaching. It's a new trend in medicine, and we're really seeing an explosion in the number of people who are trained as health coaches and the number of people seeing health coaches. So let's talk about what that is, and particularly how it relates to mental health and how we utilize coaches and coaching in the Brain Food Clinic to help people really achieve their optimal mental health. So let's start with the definition. This is the definition of health coaching by the National Society of Health Coaches, and it's a little bit of a mouthful, but I want you to listen carefully because it really defines what coaches do. Health coaching is the use of evidence-based, skillful conversation, clinical strategies, and interventions to actively and safely engage clients in health behavior change to better self-manage their health risk, and acute and chronic health conditions, resulting in optimal wellness, improved health outcomes, lowered health risk, and decreased healthcare costs. So that's a big role for health coaches. And as you can see, in some ways, a really important, almost I'd say, linchpin in the medical care system in the United States, because we often know how to help patients. We know how to reduce risk of many illnesses, things like, for example, depression and heart disease. But a lot of times people struggle to enact those behavioral changes that is going to most optimize their outcome. That's going to give them the best health and the best mental health. And this is where coaches come in. And it's been a really interesting phenomenon to watch expand into health and mental health care. And I can talk a little bit about how we utilize health coaches in our clinic. A number of our coaches, and actually a lot of my patients in New York have gotten health coach training, many of them at the Institute of Integrative Nutrition, which is one of the largest coaching schools. And what coaches are really helpful in terms of our work is, again, enacting behavioral change. So I'm really interested, as you know, in brain food and in nutritional psychiatry, and I'm really an early pioneer in that work. But I'm also mostly a psychiatrist and psychotherapist. And so I found early on, I was talking to people about food. I've got some tricks, I've got some good creative ideas to help people enact behavioral change. But most of my training is as a psychiatrist and psychotherapist. And I really have enjoyed having coaches in our practice where we can agree upon a set of foods and food categories and challenges that one of my patients might have, and they can really focus on that in a much more active coaching style that really helps them change how they're eating, change how they're shopping, change how they're organizing some of their food and some of their lifestyle choices. And it's a really a really powerful behavioral tool because, again, coaching is really designed to change behavior. Whereas a lot of other interventions in medicine and mental health, we're looking to understand behavior and explore the meanings of it. This is really coaching's about where the rubber hits the road. Let's get you eating more brain food. Let's get you out of bed earlier. Let's improve your sleep hygiene. And that's why health coaches can be so powerful in mental health. Now, if you want to learn more about health coaching or about health coaches are trained, there's a great free class by the Institute of Integrative Nutrition that shows you some of their curriculum and kind of walks you through some of the training. I think IIN, the Institute for Integrative Nutrition, is a great place to look for a couple of reasons. One, they're one of the largest and oldest health coaching schools around, which means they really had to refine their curriculum. They've gotten a lot of feedback on their curriculum, and they really know what it means to train a good coach. The second is just a really big and powerful alumni network. If you look at a lot of the influencers in the health and wellness space and in the nutrition space, many of them have been trained at IIN. So you get these two things, really experienced faculty and curriculum, and you also get a great and powerful alumni network. I hope this helps you think about health coaching, particularly maybe you're one of these folks who really know some of the things that you need to do. Maybe it's something simple. You need to start eating more vegetables and leafy greens, or maybe something a little tougher. You really know your mood and mental health improves when you exercise, but you're just having a hard time getting that consistency. Having a coach in your corner is something I really want you to consider as someone who can be there to really help motivate you, help you structure what you're doing in terms of your lifestyle interventions. But also, I think one of the big missing pieces for people is helping you celebrate the wins and helping really be there with you during the highs and the lows to help you be consistent in taking great care of yourself. Please subscribe if this video has been helpful, and particularly please share if there are individuals in your life who you think might benefit from health coaching or would be interested in getting trained as a health coach. Please check out the link below. You'll see the free class so you can learn more about health coaching and what the training is. And I hope that you'll share this video with someone you care about. Please, until we talk next time, do something to take care of your mental health. I'm Dr. Drew Ramsey. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care.